Welcome to Lakshya Institute Pathankot channel. So today in lecture second we will talk about all the questions which are there in the previous Neet examination for class 11th chapter 2 biological classification. So let's start with the video. First question. This component provides a sticky character to bacterial cell. Option A glycocalyx, option B nuclear membrane, option C cell wall and option D plasma membrane. The right answer is option A glycocalyx. Question second. Pick the incorrect statement. Option A is diatoms are microscopic and float in water passively. Option B. Diatoms are chief producer in ocean. Option C. Diatomish earth is formed by the cell walls of diatoms. And option D. Walls of diatoms are easily destructible. The right answer to this question is option D. Walls of diatoms are easily destructible. Question third. Pick the incorrect statement. Option A is Neurospora is used in the study of biochemical genetics. Option B penicillin is multicellular and produces antibiotics. Option C yeast is unicellular and used in fermentation. And option D morels and truffles are poisonous mushrooms. So the right answer to this question is option D. That is morels and truffles are poisonous mushrooms. Question fourth. A capsule is advantageous to a bacterium because option A is it allows the bacterium to attack to the surface. Option B is it allows the bacterium to hide from the host immune system. Option C is it protects means of accumulation and option D is it protects the bacterium from desiccation. The right answer to this question is option B. That is it allows the bacterium to hide from the host immune system. Question 5th. The most abundant prokaryotes helpful to humans in making curd from milk in production of antibiotics are the ones categorized as option A heterotrophic bacteria, option B chemosynthetic autotrophs, option C archaebacteria and option D cyanobacteria. The right answer is option A heterotrophic bacteria. Question 6th. The pathogen Microsporum responsible for ringworm disease in human belongs to the same kingdom of organism as that of option A is Ascaris a roundworm, option B is Rhizopus a mold, option C is Wucheria a filarial worm and option D is Tania a tapeworm. The right answer to this question is option B Rhizopus a mold. Question 7th. Some hyperthermophilic organisms that grow in highly acidic pH 2 habitats belong to two groups. Option A is liverworts and yeasts. Option B is eubacteria and archaea. Option C protists and mosses. And option D is cyanobacteria and diatoms. The right answer to this question is option B eubacteria and archaea. Question 8th. Algae are further classified into different classes based on which of the following characteristics? Option A types of pigments, option B is composition of cell wall, option C is thallus organization and option D is food reserve. The right answer is option A types of pigments. Question 9th. Which of the following differentiates conifers from grasses? The option A is absence of pollen tubes, option B is lack of xylem tracheates, and option C is seeds are produced from ovules, and option D is endosperm formation without fertilization. The right answer is option D, endosperm formation without fertilization. So the last question for this lecture 2 is domination of angiosperms on land due to option A domestication, option B self pollination, and option C a large number of seeds, and option D adaptability in diverse habitats. The right answer is option D, adaptability in diverse habitats.